Bonjour tout le monde. Today, we're going to learn French stress pronouns. Let's have some fun. I will ask you questions, and you try to answer before I give the correct one. Are you ready? Let's go. First, how do you say me in French when you want to emphasize yourself? Think. Oui. Listen carefully. Answer is c'est moi. That's me or I. Example.
Pour moi, c'est facile.
Means for me, it's easy. Next question. And how do you say you when you are talking to a friend, emphasizing them? Answer is
C'est toi.
that's you. For example,
Je parle avec toi.
I'm talking with you. What about him in a sentence like she works for him? How do we say him in French?
C'est lui.
That's him or he. For example,
Elle travaille pour lui.
she works for him. Next one. And her in it's her? Think. Did you get it? Answer.
C'est elle.
Means it's her or she. How do you say us in French? When inviting friends, come with us.
C'est nous.
It's us or we. For example,
Venez avec nous.
means come with us. And how do you say you for a group or formal situation?
C'est vous.
It's you in plural of formal. For example,
Je compte sur vous.
I'm counting on you. Now, for them. How do you say it for a group of boys or mixed group?
C'est eux.
In English, it's them. For example,
Ce sont eux qui ont gagné.
they are the ones who won. And for a group of girls,
C'est elle.
it's them. For example,
Je parle avec elle.
I'm talking with them, feminine. How do you say with me in French?
Avec moi.
It's with me. To tell for you.
Pour toi.
For saying at his place, use
Chez lui.
Let's see some examples.
Moi, je suis fatigué.
Means me, I am tired. Next,
Lui, il ne comprend pas.
that is he doesn't understand. Last one is
Moi, je travaille. Toi, tu joues.
I work, you play. Let's listen to how to use
C'est.
and
Ce sont.
with stress pronouns.
C'est moi.
Means it's me.
Ce sont eux.
Means it's them. Let's see your example on how to say short answer.
Qui veut du café?
The answer is
Moi.
now. Let's practice comparisons with stress pronouns.
Il est plus grand que moi.
That is, he is taller than me. Next example.
Elle parle mieux que toi.
Means she speaks better than you. Excellent. Comparisons are easy when you practice. Try to make similar sentences. Let's summarize everything we learned today. First, stress pronouns is equal to emphasis after prepositions and short answers. Next, use
Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle.
correctly. At last, stress pronouns are perfect for contrast, comparison, and identifying people. Fantastic! Keep practicing every day and you'll speak stress pronouns perfectly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!